On their visit to East Jaintia Hills on 4th December 2020, a group of media persons had met residents of Brichyrnot and 5 other villages in the area, wherein they had voiced their concerns over the clearance that the government had not given to Star Cement to restart its activities in East Jaintia Hills. During the discussion with newspersons, headman of Brichyrnot, Mr. Stanley Massar, mentioned that the people greatly benefited from developmental activities that had been undertaken by Star Cement in various villages in the area. He also spoke on the recent public hearing that had to be put on hold due to chaos created by a few pressure groups in the area.
Naduk nang nes duk sa National Highway manlek yo manlek kit jingkit mo katno ga jing sa sistem dongi kum binong song sino ngai alta por ngi nang don kum ba kharsan na artu ying duk mental ajan boy kum ba rupeu nan tu tam don jongi kinong song sino population jongi ke don lai spa rupeu no lai spa ni peu mental la dan te kubarang kong ong jing sistem dongi ni sino ba mula matai mo ma ilong ku bro ku beduk ki bom yo kam yo jam dem don gijing nang start kada gijing don jong ni company jong ni Star Cement entah sibun gijing toy ngi la yo te sagawe gijing so si ngi dak ku ginong son snong ya kena ga hearing jong Star Cement mo ni ju perkat da kana Star Cement kayo ina ga hearing te ngin khambun gijing mentoy ngi yo mo ndai bom tang sibun giding pukiang yang ikut musnah, cisenro ulong, arsen ulong, agnes mulai sin ni nak terpat, bat ngilangnya skem ingin yok be ingin public hearing, lewat mentaru agaju, mo. Te kejing du jong Star Cement yang ni public hearing, juga Star Cement te kejing du ya kan yang ikut Shillong Brichyrnot, namar ngitip skem nada ka Star Cement ka yok ingin public hearing, sibun gidi development yang ini bangin yok, agak mentangin yok sampai tengka, lek singin yok hidup sispa. Tena muta tagadao na kaliang jong aku merumbak senang buat nilai keren seni bah nilai keren seni bah kum senang man kerpat ya ka sarkar bukan watlat wat unti kumno kan le nang man pelai no ya kan clearance jong Star Cement ya clearance certificate nang kan yo man le ya ka.
Also speaking during the discussion, a local resident said that villages in the area had received a lot of benefits from the coming of Star Cement into East Jaintia Hills. He also urged upon pressure groups who are outside the domain of East Jaintia Hills district who seem to not know the ground reality of the situation in the area to not cause any interference in the situation.
Tak kata por ki ong yangi to ngim persa su kena kam. Mo ngila standar namar long kebor ke sarkar bat pini pej mo kai JSM ke ni ke JSM 4 kala ong ini lada ke sarkar ke IT ni dong ai mo kata sak kebor ke sarkar dai gini wit ki sing ki bawan hakatu kebor ring apa we tri ngimtip dang no kiwan bakim ju ai kebor yang ding sisa suaban le kena dai ban tip lambat ni kinong senong Pergi di para jan senong jongi, kita ki senong hadom, ki pandare, ki sekri, no? Kini gembar jan senong kene ki ban tuklar kene kam, der ban tuklar no, tei na Shillong no, tei na juai, namar ngidan kam tu simen, mo? Baru ngidan kam yo simen, baru ngidan kam, ya kajing develop yang kasenong katau.
In a follow-up on the recent public hearing at Brichyrnot, the District Commissioner of East Jaintia Hills, Shri E. Kharmalki, stated that the hearing had to be stopped for the day as the public had not been following the registration process of 100 people per hearing but had thronged the hall, which is against the notification by the Environment Ministry for the hearing. While responding to the query on whether a report on the situation had been filed or not by his office, the DC informed that the same had been sent to concerned authorities for examination and action.
Long kip tre ban yat nembaka prosedur ban yat ban register kipat ngilong baka public hearing kan yat bet nama ki ba persyaru kilaban wan kilaban ai kerteng kendrung dak basuk impai perkat ban long kim tre ban up ya kataga first 100 batch nang ta up sa second 100 batch dan di third dan di fourth kim ready kim kwa ban up hadiu ban dep tangyak to first batch ru tingin impai perkat ya kata report kaya jite ladangi yo instruction bang ya cakpat legally ngin ya
On being asked about the neglect on the part of the state administration of the people of the area, the DC, who is also the convener of the public hearing, stated that guidelines were followed as per notification of the Ministry of Environment, wherein it was clearly mentioned that the hearing would be for affected areas and others.